Kids, do you know what time it is?
It's time
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of September 9th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. September 12th through September 23rd, there will be vision, hearing, and BMI checks for grades kindergarten, first, and third grades, if permission was given on the health form. September 16th at 4:30 p.m., our flag football team will play Okehely Middle School. The game will be played at 903 North H Street in Lantana. Please come out and support our Sharks. Monday, September 26th and Wednesday, October 5th, school is closed for fall holidays. Friday, October 14th and Thursday, November 8th are teacher work days, no schools for students. Thanksgiving break is November 21st through November 25th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, this is Mrs. Smith, the elementary principal. We had some great positive behavior assemblies last Friday. We went over our new positive behavior support plan and all the incentives we have in place for students. Our Maritime store is actually opening up this Friday, so our students are working hard to make good choices and earn some Maritime money, and we're really enforcing our 3 anchors of being respectful, being responsible, and being ready to learn. So I'm super proud of our students who have earned some Maritime money this week, and I hope they enjoy their time shopping at the Maritime store this Friday. Part of our positive behavior program is to focus on dress code and to make sure all students are here on time and ready to learn. Our uniforms are no longer on back order. As soon as you order them, they're coming very quickly. You can have them delivered here to the school or to your home. We're doing classroom checks each morning. If the whole class is in proper uniform, the whole class earns Maritime money. We're also doing this if all students are present and on time at 8 o'clock and ready to learn. Our car line is now opening up at 7:25 to help parents get their children here a little bit earlier. The car line is moving nice and quickly. As long as you are in line by 7:45, your child will not be late for 8 o'clock. We close our car line right at 8 o'clock in the morning. If you are not here on time, you will have to come in and sign your child in, and they do receive a tardy mark for the day. So please work with us. We want to take as much time as we can with your child and make sure it is beneficial and they are learning. So being on time helps us make that happen. Thank you.
Our Media Center classes had a great time participating in Flashlight Friday. The students loved to read the library books by flashlights. So much fun. Our kindergarten students are practicing writing their letters using shaving cream. Ms. Choquette's 7th grade general science students completed student-centered anchor charts. The charts displayed the methods of data analysis. Let's see what's happening in the elementary STEM class.
Hi, I'm Ms. Garcia Nunes. I'm the elementary school STEM teacher, and I'm really excited to tell you guys that our 5th graders are going to be rocket scientists this year. So we'll be participating in SECME. It's a science and engineering competition, and our 5th graders will be making bottle rockets to take to competition with them. We need lots of empty 2-liter soda bottles for our scientists to use, so please send some in. 4th grade will also be participating in the competition. They'll be making cars powered by mouse traps. We've been learning about animal adaptations here in STEM class, and one of our fun lessons has been about camouflage. Camouflage is a really important adaptation that a lot of animals have, and our kids have had some hands-on activities to do with camouflage, as you can see here.
Let's check in with Miss Fisher about Safety Patrol.
Hey guys, it's Miss Fisher, and I just wanted to congratulate all of our safety patrols. They have been doing a fantastic job this year. So far, so good. We're also in the works of planning our safety patrol trip at the end of the year. So next week, we will begin selling those candy bars. So parents will contact you, and we're going to have a meeting so we can go over everything. We're also going to be deciding where we're going for our safety patrol trip. So things are in the works, but we wanted to give you a heads up. Next week, bring your dollar because we're selling those candy bars. You guys have a great day and be safe.
Finally, here are the star students of the week. They demonstrated curiosity. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.